A new drug development platform is quietly transforming medicine by making some drugs more effective, safer, and easier to use through a simple trick, swapping out some of their hydrogens for a different type of hydrogen called deuterium. By replacing specific hydrogen atoms in a drug molecule, pharmaceutical scientists can significantly enhance its metabolic stability, reduce toxicity, and improve pharmacokinetics without changing the drug's core mechanism of action. This approach has led to FDA-approved therapies for rare disorders like Huntington's disease and, more recently, to blockbuster drugs for common ailments like psoriasis. With a growing pipeline of deuterated drugs targeting cancer, autoimmune disorders, and infectious diseases, this unassuming isotope is poised to revolutionize drug development and bring better treatments to millions of patients. But what exactly is deuterium and how does it work? Deuterium is a stable hydrogen isotope that has one proton and one neutron in its nucleus instead of just one proton like in regular hydrogen. Because of this extra neutron, each molecule of deuterium is 2 times heavier than a molecule of hydrogen. While both isotopes behave chemically the same, deuterium as extra mass gives rise to subtle but significant differences in how the body processes certain molecules containing it. For example, many drugs are metabolized or broken down by enzymes in the liver that recognize and target specific chemical groups. By replacing these targeted hydrogens with deuteriums, the resulting drugs are less likely to be broken down by these enzymes, leading to longer half-lives and more predictable drug levels in the body. This increased metabolic stability translates into several key advantages for patients. First, it allows for dosing regimens that are less frequent and easier to manage, such as once-daily dosing instead of multiple times per day. Second, it helps mitigate the risk of adverse drug reactions by reducing the buildup of potentially toxic metabolites. And third, it enables more precise control over the rate at which the drug is released into the body, leading to more consistent therapeutic effects. The result is a better overall drug product with improved tolerability, efficacy, and convenience. Recent clinical successes and market potential. Several deuterated drugs have recently hit the market, including 1. Austedo deutetrabenazine for Huntington's disease and tardive dyskinesia. 2. Donafenib for hepatocellular carcinoma, China approved. 3. Sotyktu 𝗗𝗏𝗧𝗘𝗏 for plaque psoriasis. 4. Leqselvi 𝗗𝗘𝗏𝗧𝗘𝗥 for alopecia areata. 5. 𝗓𝗏-116 for COVID-19. With a robust pipeline of late-stage candidates, including deuterated versions of existing drugs like enzalutamide for prostate cancer and ruxolitinib for myelofibrosis, as well as novel compounds like ESK-001 for lupus, the deuterated drug sector is poised for substantial growth. Conclusion: the use of deuterium in pharmaceuticals has evolved from a curiosity to a powerful tool for improving drug performance. As the pipeline matures, deuterated drugs will increasingly compete with other innovative approaches to drug development like protax and covalent inhibitors for the title of most promising strategy for tackling undruggable targets. However, challenges remain, including the need for specialized synthesis and the need to clearly demonstrate clinical differentiation versus non-deuterated analogs. Nevertheless, the potential benefits of deuterium are undeniable, and this versatile isotope is sure to play a major role in shaping the future of medicine.